Hello and welcome back to Adsway Online Classes YouTube channel. Today I've come here with an announcement of a new workshop which I'm starting tomorrow. It will be mainly on WhatsApp with videos which will be uploaded as private videos on YouTube and later on to our website. So all those who join will get lifetime access on our website after the class is over. The magic of pathworking. This is a technique that can be used in spell work following certain instructions. Pathworking in magic is a series of images that are related to a particular deity or a spirit. The images have the vibes of the entity we want to contact, and when used in the right way, will morph your personal energies and the ones of your space to ease contact with the desired entity. This technique can only summon the entity as it energetically creates a temporary bond through which we are able to communicate or make magically a request. These images can be used in complex rituals also, like for invoking or evoking an entity, but it is mainly used for this purpose, for requesting a spirit or an entity. So in this workshop I will be teaching about how to connect with entities and spirits and even gods using a particular method called the pathworking, like I have explained here. So you will get to learn about the 90 entities whom you can contact directly, and it is very easy. If you have any visualization experience, it will be very easy for you. So anybody who has previously done any of my fallen angels classes or demonology classes, I request you to join, because this is very useful for you. Instead of doing very long rituals and tiring and with a lot of materials and all that, this method is very easy for you, and it brings very good outcomes because you will be directly in contact with the entity. That is how pathworking works. So I will give you a small example here of a pathworking just for you to understand what is pathworking. So I'll give you a small example here for pathworking with our Lord Krishna. So everybody knows how we portray Lord Krishna. So just visualize his image in your mind. And what are the things you see when you visualize Lord Krishna? What are the things you see? So those are the things that you need to visualize. So you need to visualize one or two things. I will give you two examples here. That is, one is the flute which he plays, and one is the peacock feather on his hair. So these are the two things associated with Lord Krishna. So when you do pathworking, this is how you work. So if for each of these entities whom I am going to explain to you in this workshop, there are certain things like this which you connect with, which will take you directly to that entity. This is how pathworking works. So if you are interested, definitely people who are interested in demonology and fallen angels, you should join this workshop, and it starts tomorrow. You can contact me on the WhatsApp number given on the screen for the energy exchange. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel and please hit the bell icon also to get notifications of my next upload.